So hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will teach you how can you make a screen rotating virus in Python with just 7 lines of code. Let's get started. For this, you have to download a library which is called rotate screen. So go to your terminal and just type pip install rotate screen and press enter. After installing the library, you just need to import this. So write import rotate screen. After this library, you have to import one more library, but that is pre-built in Python. And the library's name is time. So just write import time. And after these two lines, you have to declare a variable known as screen. Rotate screen dot get primary display. After this line, you have to declare a for I range and basically two I ranges and then one more I range. Now we have to use this variable which we imported. So just write time dot sleep 3. Now this line will pause your screen for 3 seconds. And now for rotating your screen, you have to type screen dot rotate to this. So let's see how this works. This takes a little bit of time to get started. Okay, now that's how this will work. So this is all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.